This is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. If you need to order any type of goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to follow this step right now in this video. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, whether on Pinduoduo or Idlefish or any Chinese e-commerce platform or on 1688 Chinese shopping app, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. If you need to order goods from Chinese shopping app Pinduoduo, consider to follow this step. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, it's load up like this. Then you can simply search for different products of your choice. And there are so many ways to search for products on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the very easy ways to come to the top right here, type in the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on here. This allows you to image search from the camera right here. Click on the camera icon right here. Upload the product picture sample. Then you see a similar result. After you are able to source for the product from different manufacturer in China, what you need to do is to click on the product link. Like for instance, I'm going to buy this particular product right here. This product right here. What we want to do is to simply click on the product link, and it's going to simply load up to the supplier sales page, just like what you see right here. Then here you can scroll down and check on the detail about the product and check on the review of the previous supplier or of the previous buyer. Just like what you see right here. Good morning to you and your family and your daddy, and you can see this is a review right here. You can click on here to check on more review by different buyer across this particular supplier sales page. You can simply scroll down and check on more products on their sales page right here. And lastly, make sure you check on the general rating of a particular store. And this particular store right here have about 5-star rating, which is quite much good. Next thing you want to do, you can simply scroll down right here and check on more product picture, just like what you see right here, and the chart of the size, the quality, and the color, the case may be. Once you are able to satisfy with product detail, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to contact the supplier and let them be aware that you want to place order or you want to buy goods from their store. Once you contact the supplier, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. And next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to purchase. Then right here, you have different sizes as the likes. So different option style right here, and you have sizes right here. What you need to do is to select the size and select the quality you want. And likewise, come down right here, select the size. Once you select the size, then you can select the size right here and simply click on here to continue. Having selected the size and continue, it's going to take you back right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to your profile. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to the item in the cart. Then it's going to take you right here. Then right here, you have the products that you just selected right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to select the products from the cart. Then having selected the product from the cart, click on here to proceed to the checkout. Then from the checkout right here, you need to make sure you had your shipping address or delivery address from the top right here. Having had your address, then here, use any means of payment available to you. In this tutorial, I'm using Alipay as a means of payment. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout and payment with my Alipay. The next thing I'm going to do is to enter payment password right here to facilitate and complete my payment. It's that simple. Just like what you see right here, payment done successful. Next thing we want to do is to click on done right here from the top. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to close this pump up right here. We don't need that. Then you can simply go back to your profile, refresh your profile. The goods you just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. It's that simple. So just like what you see right here. So basically, this is how to simply order for goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about China importation business with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more on how you too can be a procurement agent, or to know more about importation business from China, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.